Hey there, this brief tutorial for Giants users will teach you the quick basics on how to use a cool application for the Chrome browser called Kami to use some really cool features in the open book materials as well as some of Dr. Gershmel's PDF files. So the first thing to really quickly address is that Kami is a extension that plugs into Chrome, and more than likely your school tech department will have to push it out to your kids if they're using Chromebooks. If that is the case, you simply tell them, hey, I want the Kami plugin, and they should hopefully be able to push that out to your students easily or open up access so that you can have your students quickly add it to their Chrome browser. And I don't have access to do that, so I'm not going to share how to do that with you. But once Kami is installed, it's as simple as opening up a PDF from their Google Drive. The difference is instead of double-clicking on it, which is going to open up this preview view that you don't want, you can right-click on it and choose Open With, and if Kami's installed, you will have a Kami option. What's great about Kami is that it allows you, with its free version, to do some pretty cool things. Including marking up the text, highlighting the text, and providing some annotations on a text. So you can see we've got our revised 4th grade book, and as I scroll down to the beginning of a chapter, you can see that I am now able to comment on things. So I'm going to highlight something here, and I'm going to write a comment. This is kind of a neat feature because it allows the kids to make a textbook their own. You can upgrade to an education plan to get some voice typing, but the free account at least allows you to type on there on your own. If you want to highlight a text, it's as simple as highlighting it when you've got the highlighter tool selected, and you can see you've got that marked up now. And you can also draw a text box. So if I wanted to answer the question, what is geography? I can answer this question here, which is neat. So for OpenBook, this is great. For some Dr. Gershmel's PDF files, you're going to be able to use these features in a similar way. This one is a clickable map, which you are not able to actually open and have all the clickable layers. But if you were to open this with Kami and it were one of his ones with actual questions on it, you could have students use these same features to answer those questions. So if we pretend for a minute that there are a group of questions in this column right here, students could draw a text box next to it and give their answer. You can also draw, which is cool on some of the map pieces because now I can highlight things. You can draw all over this. You can, of course, make a smiley face, but if there are a lot of Dr. Gershmel's maps ask for kids to draw patterns that they see on here and circle them. So I would be able to circle a pattern like this, which also will help them answer some of those questions. So I hope you found this useful, and I hope that you guys all enjoy using Kami in your classroom this year.